In the landscape of modern technical infrastructure development, Quanganhcons has made a profound impact with the completion of the 1000 kVA transformer station at Dai Dung II Factory. This project is not only a testament to the company's excellent construction capability but also symbolizes professionalism in the field of medium and low voltage electrical system construction. This project includes the new construction of a 22 kV line in a 1000 kVA transformer station at Armed Forces Pacific Binh Tien II, Duc Hoa, Long Province. With a connection voltage of 22 kV, the outdoor ground-mounted transformer station with protective fencing, Quanganhcons has demonstrated its ability to design and deploy quick and high-quality construction. The 1000 kVA transformer station, an impressive technical feat, uses a Thibidi oil-type transformer with a capacity of 1000 kVA and a transformation ratio of 22/0.4 kV. Additionally, the main electrical cabinet with an ACB 1600A configuration and a 500 kVAr capacitor bank shows robustness and efficiency in energy distribution and utilization. Hotline technology is applied in the connections, ensuring continuity and stability in power supply. This process helps minimize downtime in electricity supply, while also enhancing the operational efficiency of the station. Quanganhcons does not just stop at excellently completing the construction but also aims to provide advanced and sustainable technical solutions. The application of technology and expertise in the Dai Dung II Factory project reflects the company's commitment to providing high-quality electrical system construction services. The 1000 kVA transformer station at Dai Dung II Factory is not just a technical achievement but also a testament to the professionalism and reliability of Quanganhcons in the electrical system construction industry. With investments in technology and project management, Quanganhcons is proud to be a trustworthy partner, ready to meet the most stringent requirements of customers and contribute to the development of the electrical industry. For those interested in constructing medium and low voltage energy systems and transformer stations up to 35 kV, please contact Quanganhcons at hotline 091-975-8191 for consultation.